No matter what skin type you have or what age you are, the arrival of a pimple is always met with annoyance. It always seems to rear its angry head at the most inopportune times. More often than not, it happens before a family function or big party when you're set to put your best foot forward. Pimples hamper even the best-made plans, where you end up having to apply layers after layers of concealer on top. Let's find out why this happens in the first place. How do pimples form? When the skin's sebaceous glands produce an excess of sebum, it clogs the glands and cause pimples to form. Pimples are commonly seen on the cheeks, forehead, jawline and chin. However, they can also appear on the chest, back and thighs. Reasons why you're getting pimples. There are many reasons why pimples form. Usually it is due to hormonal changes, medical reasons and lifestyle factors. Certain medications can cause your skin to flare up and pimples to form. Using skin and makeup products which aren't suitable for your skin type. Not following hygiene practices by washing sweat off frequently or removing makeup at the end of the day. Medical conditions like PCOD include pimples as a side effect. Periods in which your body experiences hormonal changes like puberty and pregnancy. A diet with high content of refined sugar, salt and carbohydrates may also cause pimples. Precautions to take when you have pimples. The first instinct everybody has when they spot a pimple on their face is to pinch it and press it to get the gunk out. Stop yourself when you have that urge. Here are a few precautions to follow when you have a pimple. Keep your hands away from your skin to prevent spread of bacteria. Continue to follow your skincare routine and ensure adequate cleansing, moisturizing and sun protecting. Treat it with home remedies, products or medical help as soon as you can. Don't overly dry out the pimple as it can lead to spots and scars. Avoid oil-based products as it can further aggravate the skin. Overnight DIY remedies to get of pimples. So you've got an angry red pimple before a big event that you've been looking forward to. These DIY overnight remedies can reduce its appearance and decrease the size of the bump on your face in hours or with repeated usage over days. Even if it doesn't disappear completely, concealing the skin with makeup will go on much easier. 1. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is famous for its antibacterial properties. Dilute 2 drops of tea tree oil with a few drops of a carrier oil like coconut oil and dab it on the pimple. Let it sit for a few hours and wash off with warm water. 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is one of the most reputable ingredients in the skincare world. It soothes and promotes repair. A dab of fresh aloe vera gel can help settle a pimple when left overnight. 3. Honey. A dab of honey can do wonders for pimple-ridden skin. Its antibacterial properties can reduce inflammation and encourage healing. Apply a drop or 2 on the affected area through the night and wash it off the next morning. 4. Crushed aspirin. Don't let pimples give you a headache. Instead, use an aspirin tablet by crushing it into a fine powder, turning it into a paste with a few drops of water and dotting on the pimple. It is anti-inflammatory in nature and will soothe the skin problem. 5. Ice. Wrap an ice cube in a fine cloth and place it on pimples. Don't use ice directly on the skin or hold it on the area for more than 20 seconds. Ice it, remove it for the same length of time and ice it again. You can repeat this twice a day. It will ease the pain of the swelling and help contract the pimple. 6. Green tea. Brew a bag of green tea and after a few minutes, remove from heat and let it cool. Once cold to touch, place on top of pimples. As an overnight remedy, brewed green tea over the pimple before sleeping. Its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce swelling and redness.